Hello, car enthusiasts of Cairo. Welcome to a journey through the vibrant streets of this historic city. James May here, ready to introduce you to a car that's been turning heads and winning hearts across the globe, the Kia Ceed. This car is not just another vehicle, it's a statement on wheels. This ain't your granddad's Kia, no sir. It's a leap into the future, leaving the past in the dust. The Ceed is a modern marvel of engineering, offering a compelling blend of style, practicality, and affordability. It's designed to meet the needs of today's discerning drivers. Now you might be thinking, James, why should I care about a Kia? What makes it stand out in a sea of cars? Well, my friend, the Ceed is here to challenge your preconceived notions about this South Korean brand. It's redefining what you can expect from a compact car. It's a car that punches well above its weight, delivering a driving experience that's both refined and enjoyable. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the open road, the Ceed excels. In the bustling metropolis of Cairo, where traffic can be a bit of a, shall we say, adventure, the Ceed shines as a beacon of practicality and comfort. It's built to handle the chaos with ease. It's a car that's equally at home navigating the city's vibrant streets or embarking on a weekend getaway to the pyramids. The Ceed adapts to your lifestyle no matter where the road takes you. So, buckle up and join me as we delve deeper into the world of the Kia Ceed. There's so much more to discover about this impressive vehicle. We'll explore its key features, compare it to its rivals, and see why it's become a popular choice for discerning car buyers in Cairo and beyond. Stay tuned for an in-depth look at what makes the Kia Ceed a standout in its class.